This area is about to look a lot different.
I want them higher.
Well, they can't go higher. All right, we measured a lot, so it just has to happen. This is dumb. Nice. Is that for the bed? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the trailer build. I am all cozied up right now because the temperature just dropped tremendously. Noah just walked up to the garage. We just got done chatting about plans for this week. He is grabbing the isotherm fridge freezer setup that he has because we are tackling the kitchen, which means that we are now getting to the point where there are some like real intense changes happening to his home. There was some confusion with the Happy Jack shipping situation, but it turns out that it should be here tomorrow, which is really exciting. Woo, look at that fit.
Obviously there'll still be countertop. That'll be the layout. So I might trim these up. Man, I might put another support in just to make it easier here. It's so nice that this refrigerator is just like a box. There's not like extra crap except for just this small corner has the little compressor. It's like such a small area compared to other fridges. Want this one? Or do you want this one? It looks like you've chewed this one a lot more. Yeah.
How many days do we have?
We have 9 days.
So as you can see, there's some simple plumbing done down here. Today's the day. Happy Jacks are finally here. There's one.
Stuff in here.
Okay. There were actually many people in the last few videos that talked about bed frame options and what he should do, and yeah, this whole time the plan was to have a bed that lifts and goes down, and this area is about to look a lot different. Noah's just gonna measure for each side, and then we'll be able to place them and secure them, and we just have to make sure that they're the exact same on both sides and parallel. And right now, so you might notice that these are actually moved over a little bit because they are going on the blocking that we did in like the first video to prepare for the installation of these.
Here you go.
Where does it work for you? Right there? Can that work? What are you contemplating right now?
Like nothing, basically.
Why can't you just measure that same amount and then you know that it's going to be lined up with that? Even though it's not going to land on the studs, that's the only option to make it lined up.
So the assumption is that the studs aren't in the right place, but this is.
Yeah.
Why would this be and not the studs?
Yeah, that's different. That's different.
Yeah.
Alright, we measured a lot. Basically, we're just going to put this side up and then line it up on the same side opposite with the studs. Yeah, whatever. It just, you know, makes sense kind of. That looks really nice, actually.
I want them higher.
Well, they can't go higher.
Can I live with that?
Yeah, you can.
If there's a way for me to get it higher, why wouldn't I get it higher?
Because your top two bolts aren't going to be in there, Noah. That's important.
If there's a way for me to get it higher safely, I want it higher.
Everything.
So now it's time to think, Linnea, about how we can...
Alright, let's think. Here's the conclusion. The motor is actually going to go right here, meaning that the bed is going to be low, which is going to decrease living space by a lot. This is not us giving advice, this is just what we're going to do.
We are going to drill more holes at regular intervals. We're going to lift it up. The top two mounting holes will not be able to secure.
More fasteners to make up for the top two that won't be in the blocking that was previously set up for it.
That'll give us another 3 inches probably.
Yeah.
We raise it up, put in the extra holes. Good job, Linnea. I'm also fastening the other side.
I think Noah wants some camera time.
Linnea doesn't like recording me because I'm really slow at doing things. I prefer intentional. I'm very intentional with how I do
That's
things.
why we have 9 days left and we still have all this work.
Wait a second. That's kind of true.
So this is where the motor is going to live. So Luke helped with this frame.
So I helped with the exterior of the
Jojo helped with this frame. Amazing. This is a family build. I have been commissioned to build all of the drawers in the front of the trailer. So right next to the kitchen there'll be a big counter space, and under that I'll have 7 drawers. So I just got done doing a bunch of math, and I'm gonna start with the structure of it. Good morning, everybody. It's gonna rain today, most likely. My plan is to stay in my PJs all day. 53 minus 2. Yeah. Beautiful, nice work. All right, Noah's been working on the table. Simple table legs on 3/4 inch ply.
We got a little table.
Nice. Awesome. So my plan with some of the drawers was to fit the structure in pretty perfectly, kind of build it in there before actually putting all the drawers in. And then we realized that because I did it that way, we wouldn't really be able to access the heater yet. So we're switching gears. We are going to install the heater, which, if I'm being honest, I've been procrastinating that for approximately 2 weeks now. So it just has to happen. So let's do it. So the heater's gonna go in this back right corner. The tricky part here is that there are metal supports underneath the trailer going here. Yeah. What? Open it.
That's good. Where, how far from this window is, does the sink at the top?
I'm not really sure.
You don't have that blue tape there anymore.
No. Nice job.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Got it?
Yep.
It's gonna be so nice to just have it done, Linnea.
I know.
Will you take out a couple more cups? So this is ready to be passed through.
That is ready to be passed through, yeah.
Both of these clamps I have to cut out for.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we should just cut an entire f***ing square out of this thing. Why cut holes? You know what I mean?
This is dumb. I'm doing a longer one. All right, heater is screwed down to the floor. Keep coming. Yep, got it.
Hopefully that's big enough.
It will be, it's tiny.
Got it.
Okay. All right, pump is attached at an angle, and now we just have the fuel line. I'll walk through all of this once this is all connected to make it a little bit more simple for those of you that haven't done it.
Should I keep this extra?
I would not.
You would just trim it.
I would trim it. All right, this is what the install looks like before any of the electrical stuff. So I'm gonna walk through this. So diesel fuel is in here, and it goes out there. Runs into the trailer. So it runs into the trailer, through the filter, into the pump, and then the fuel is going down underneath the trailer where it actually goes into the heater and does its magic.
I wish we had another couple of these.
Me too. Hello everybody. I have not really been filming the last few hours, but this is what we've been doing. You see all these planned out there? So first I spent some time laying in the grass and doing a whole bunch of math. And now I'm cutting all the pieces needed to complete the 7 drawers in the front of the trailer. So that's what I've been working on. And I'm gonna show you some of Noah's plumbing that he's gotten done in the last few hours as well. So the water pump is in and the plumbing is ran for the faucet. Here's a little sink. Faucet will be, well, obviously right there.
Is there a particular spot you want these?
Yes! They're all organized.
Yeah.
Don't move a thing.
It's not super precise.
Don't put those in there. To the side.
Side?
To the side.
This side?
Yep. Not in that pile. The isotherm fridge is all connected. Nice. Hi, Akela.
Hello, sweetie.
Do you want to look at the fridge?
Hey, Kilo.
Oh, that's nice.
Want to see it? Look in the freezer.
Look at the cute little freezer, Akela.
Look at this little ice tray.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yep.
Oh, that is adorable. This fridge is going to get a ton of airflow so that it doesn't get overheated.
Two inches.
Sure.
That looks pretty good.
It's finally happening! Doors! Ooh! That looks really nice.
We hold that side up?
Yeah.
How's that?
Good. Do you need any more space in the middle or you think that's okay? Wow, that looks so good!
Does it?
Yeah! Looks great. Wow, how convenient is
This
it?
thing is rounding up. It's so convenient.
So you would rather use that than a drill?
Yeah, easier. Look at this. Can you have a drill? Just juggle it.
Just put your damn screws in.
Fuck.
No.
Why does it look good?
It doesn't look good. Check it out. It's starting to look like a little house. A few people have been asking, since a lot of the prices have gone up, is it more expensive than what you anticipated?
Yep. Absolutely.
By about how much?
Probably by $4,000. Wow. Right now I spent about $12,000 on this. The Happy Jacks used to be less expensive. The wood used to be way less expensive.
When the night comes crawling and I'm all alone, I head for the highway, baby, to please my restless bones, restless bones. I should try harder to please.
While I have been working on varnishing the inside of all of these boxes, Noah has been working on a really fun project. It's crazy how things just come together.
Thanks.
Very nice. So this is that first countertop that we just dry fitted, and Noah cut this big portion out because this is the chunk where the diesel heater is underneath, and then he also built a shelf there, so this is going to be a removable piece for more storage and whatnot. Hi, Kobach. Hi. And I really think that we need to do edge banding on stuff because it looks so good. So that's what we're gonna do. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. If you're not familiar with this, basically it's just a veneer with adhesive on the back. I use a heat gun. I used to use a hair dryer, and that worked just as well, actually.
That looks so nice.
They don't have latches yet.
Wow. Wow, this is nicely done.
Thanks, Mom. She has to say that.
And I don't. And I do like the. Are you filming it? Film this. And don't put that on either.
I will absolutely.
I like the blonde a lot. It really brightens everything up.
Thanks.
Good morning, everybody. I am going to stop the video here. As of this morning, we officially have 3 full days left of the build. This week we got a lot of little stuff done and a lot of things that made it look like real progress. The heater is installed, the plumbing is almost done, the fridge is in, and then of course the big things that really pull it together, like the cabinet doors and the countertops, are almost done with their coats of varnish, so those can go in hopefully by the end of today as well. But holy shit, we are in crunch time. So there will be one final video about the 3 final days of this trailer build, and I am really excited to see how it all comes together. With that, I'm going to say goodbye. I have these drawers to install. I'm crossing my fingers that it all goes well. Alright, Akela and I and Noah will see you next week for the final video of the cargo trailer conversion. Pretty wow. Just to make sense, holy f***.
This is my manual foot pump, my backup.
Akela, go get it.
Oh, hey, look at it.
Akela, stop eating grass. Why?
Got a little bit of dust on there.
Living space by a lot.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.